Every day, Cat sat by the window watching the birds outside. But one day, he saw a dog across the lawn. Without thinking, he leaped right into the glass. He stared at the now slightly dented window, shook his head, and went back to watching birds a little less enthusiastic. Cat resumed his vigil, the thrill of the chase slightly dimmed but still captivated by the fluttering birds. Outside, the dog continued to frolic in the grass, blissfully unaware of the feline observer. As Cat watched the birds flit about, his mind began to wander, contemplating the freedom they enjoyed. The dog's antics were entertaining, but Cat longed for the thrill of the open sky beyond the glass.